Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Looks like the portfolio just keeps getting these short. It just seems like the stocks that I've chosen are being targeted. Because look at that. Everything in my portfolio is red. Neo, Tilray, Shopify, Corsair, MP, Tesla, Dropbox, Jumia. And I think that all these are solid ones except for the time right now. Except for Jumia. I believe Jumia will still need a long time for it to be a profitable company. But other than Jumia, all these are solid companies. Neo, Tilray, Shopify, Corsair. I would put way more money into them if I could. These are the only stocks that are really getting targeted out of everything else. Another one that really want to get into is Tattooed Chef. It looks like it's gonna get under $17 right now. That's another one I want to get into. But these ones are just keep getting wrecked more and more ever since about November. It hasn't really These stocks haven't really moved since about November. So it's been about 6 months since these stocks really been moving. And look at freaking Tilray. Tilray's just been getting wrecked ever since the pump. And if Tilray ever gets back to its 52-week high, that's gonna be a 5x from now. And I think eventually it'll be able to get to that, but not right now. It looks like it's just selling off more and more. Like in the past week, a fifth of its value has been cut off. 1/5 of its value. A month, 36% more than a third. 3 months, almost 50% of its value has been cut off. I mean, I can't tell you exactly what my average cost is, but I got into Afria at $7, so I know that I was above or doubled my money into it. I don't know how much I've made in Tilray yet, but it is down almost 10%. It is down almost 10% in one freaking day. And right now I'm chilling still, but it sucks that I don't have any money to buy anything. I would buy a couple of shares of Tilray. Honestly, I would like to get to 400 shares. But as of now, I believe that for the time being, I do not want to buy any more shares into Neo. I mean, I would want to, but I would like to get some more shares of other companies. Because let's just look at the equity that I have. If I look at the equity right now, I have a lot of my money into Neo. And I would love to increase the value into Shopify, Corsair, Tesla. I would like to get some shares into Tattooed Chef. I would actually like to put a lot of money into Tattooed Chef. If I did have the money, I would probably make this one a top 3 position. I'll probably be right next to Tilray. Eventually passing up Tilray, maybe making it my second biggest position. Maybe put $15,000 into it if I ever could. But as long as I can keep seeing these red days, then I'm gonna keep buying, because there's a switch right now from these like high potential, high growth stocks into more stable stocks, and that's fine. Right now, the easy money to make is to put money into big tech like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, or into dividend beasts like established companies that are already making profits. But these companies right here that are either making very little profit or are just like basically really focused on growth are the ones that are getting hammered right now, because it's just right now it's kind of like a transfer from these high growth, high risk, more riskier stocks into these less riskier stocks, these ones that are proving themselves. So that's the time where you can follow the crowd and make that money, which probably short term will be beneficial. Well, I mean, it's short term, long term. It's still, if you just have your money into the stock market and you believe into these companies, then it doesn't matter. But these long term plays, I believe right now is just short term pain. And wherever the big money goes, that's where the money goes, you know. And yeah, this is just a quick update. I just woke up out of my bed and I just seen that my portfolio's getting wrecked, like always, like how it usually is. But that's all right. Look at that. On February 10th will be the day where I peaked out this year. So 4 more days until May 10th, and we're gonna see how much I'm down on. But yeah, look at that. We're getting wrecked. I'll keep you guys updated.